Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to move apps from C drive to D drive in Windows 10 or 11. If you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11 or you want to move your installed apps from C to D, so let's see how can you do that. So there are two different ways. The very first way is that you just have to try to uninstall that app. After uninstallation, you can reinstall it on your second drive. Or the second way is you just have to go to this PC, go to your C drive, go to program files. Here you might get that app, or if you can't find that here, you can also go to program files x86, and here you might get that app. So let's say I'm gonna moving this one, just double click on it, and here it will open. Now you just have to click on this area to get this type of link. You just have to right click on it, then click copy. Once you have copied, just go back, open your press the window button, and here you just have to search for notepad. Open your notepad here, and in your notepad I'm gonna creating a new note here. And this section you just have to paste your link.